In this training video, I will show you how to add equipment to your inventory with an existing category. So what I mean by that is, first off, we are in the equipment tab, okay? And we know that in this particular category, air mover axle fan, we have these axle fans and we know that we have 10 of them. But my purpose is I just purchased 10 more of these axle fans, these Phoenix Focus 3000s. I want 20 of them now. So I just bought 10. So the way to add more to your inventory is very simple. You would go to Add Equipment, and we're going to go to the category. In the previous video, we already added this additional category, air mover axle fan. So this is the one that I'm speaking about. So I'm going to click there, and we know there's the make and model, which is the Phoenix Focus 3000. There might be another model in here, but we're going to add to this particular model. You might have 10 more here, different models. Okay, so we'll click there, and what we're going to do now is we are going to select where these are going to go. The first 10 are on board our truck number 1, but I want to add 10 more of the same category and make and model to truck number 2. Okay, and so we didn't have to add a new category or make and model. We're just simply adding more quantity. So I'll just click this selector right here, go the other direction right there, and I just bought 10 more, and I'm adding them to truck 2. There's the make and model, there's the air mover axle fan right there, but we just added 10 more, but it's going to truck 2 this time instead of truck 1 by clicking here. Once again, we are assigning the equipment numbers automatically, so each machine gets a number. So this program will actually assign it automatically. In this case, if you wanted to assign serial numbers or some other number of your own, then you would deselect this, but that's in a different video. But for our purposes, I'm adding 10. Okay, I'm going to click right here, add, and this pops down, equipment successfully added. Would you like to view the added equipment? Yes, I do. And just like that, we now know that these 10 air mover axle fans that you just purchased, called the Phoenix Focus 3000 CFM, and these new numbers were assigned to each one. There's air mover number 55, 56, and 57, and so forth. They're on board truck 2, and of course you can edit if you needed to. Location is not important at this point. They are available automatically, and like always, you could remove them if you wanted to, or edit here if they're not available, but that's in a different video. And it's just that simple. So we know that air mover axle fan Phoenix Focus 3000 CFM are available, and they are on board truck 2 as we speak. It's that easy on how to do that by adding quantities to your existing inventory and existing category. We just added 10 more. Okay, that's how that's done. To your success, and thank you for watching.